In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell half kneeling shoulder press. And of course, the target muscle here is the deltoid. There is going to be a little bit of extra support needed through the core and through the muscles of the hips to maintain the half kneeling position. So I'm going to show you side on and front on. So firstly, side on. I've got my dumbbell ready. And what I want to do is come into a half kneeling position. So I want a 90-degree angle at my right knee and a 90-degree angle at my left knee. Bring the dumbbell nice and close to your body and try and pick it up with a nice straight back. And the first thing I'm going to do in this position is just bring my shoulders back. Now you can have your free hand on your leg, you can have it to the side, which is going to be a little bit harder. And I want you to hammer curl the weight up. My elbows tucked into my side and I've got my knuckles facing up towards the ceiling. From this position, I'm going to squeeze my core and glutes and I'm going to press the dumbbell up and slowly back down. And when I bring the weight down, notice how it's touching my shoulder. So the shoulder is touching the dumbbell. I come up and return to that same position, all while trying to keep nice and stable through the core and hips. I don't want to be moving the core and hips at all as I'm doing the exercise. And then once I've done my repetitions, I can then swap to the next side. Front on, same position, but so you can see on the camera. Once I've braced the core and glutes, I've got the end of the dumbbell here in contact with my shoulder. I can have the hand out to the side or again on my hip or leg. Again, this is the harder version, elbow into the side. From here, core and glutes squeezed as I come up, extending the elbow and coming back down under control. That's how to do a half kneeling shoulder press, and you would do that for your required amount of reps and sets.